Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 7 Pro and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome. And now all we have to do is to simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. Of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to the website. But if in your case this list is wide, then I highly recommend to simply tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got the browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will mark everything. I want to remove everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. So let me pick this option. And all you have to do right now is to simply tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, we just got back to the history, which is right now empty, and it simply means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So starting from the visited websites and ending on saved passwords. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your Google Pixel 7 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.